Today we are testing Vidu's latest model Q3. Vidu is an AI video generation platform that transforms text, images and references into high quality cinematic videos within seconds. Let's go in. So first you go on vidu.com. Here we have an overview about the tool. As you can see, you can create cinematic videos just by prompting. To get started, hit try Vidu. You can see the different features like reference to video, image to video, text to speech, AI lip sync and so much more. On the bottom you see some community results here. As you can see, they are just astonishing here. On the left you can use the different features like reference to video, image to video, text to video and more. In this video we will focus on the reference to video feature. As you can see here, it's a multi-reference consistency feature. To generate your videos, you can upload 1 to 7 references from your images or references which are already saved. We will come that in a minute. You can enter your prompt here. On the bottom you have different settings. Make sure you have the new model Vidu Q3 selected here. You can generate videos up to 16 seconds, 1080p output. You have a creation mode to generate cinematic videos or high dynamic flash videos, the aspect ratio and the amount of videos you want to generate. Before we start, we need some images. So we hit generate image. In our case, we want to use a text to image first. To generate our reference to video scenes, we first need an environment. So we have the prompt of a modern apartment living room with warm sunlight. As you can see here, you have the top models available like Nana Banana Pro, Nana Banana 2, GPT Image 2. We will use Nana Banana 2 for this. We want 4 images and we just hit create. And the result is just amazing. Look at this. Each image is just realistic, high quality, ready to use for your further production. We also generated a modern subway train interior. Again, it's just amazing. Also the text on the top here is realistic, no deformation. Here we generated a travel suitcase. Let's try the reference to image feature here. We take this image here, the right bottom image here. We make it as reference. Just hit references, click on the plus icon, upload your image, enter reference name, red suitcase. We have no voice here. We can add additional images from different angles to have a better reference here, but it's fine. He generated a description for it, a red hard-shell suitcase, perfect, confirm. We can now use this reference here, so we have it in our prompt box here. And now we have the prompt, make the suitcase, and here the reference, green, don't edit anything else. And as we can see, he did exactly that what we wanted. He did not edit the image itself, just the color of the suitcase, just perfect. And now we are ready to go. Here at the reference to video feature, we make another reference here. We have this image and now we want to use it in a prompt. So we have this prompt here. We want an action hero female with red hairs driving a dune buggy through a vast desert. A hidden underground base is in the background. We want cinematic lighting and we added the reference here. And here is the result, and as you can already see, it's amazing. Let's look at it. Realistic, character, on point, cinematic lighting. It could be right out of the cinemas. It's just crazy good. We can now recreate it, publish it, upscale it, extend it, download it. Nice. Another example. Now we have a cinematic airport departure scene featuring our red hair woman again with the reference, traveling alone and pulling our red suitcase from before through the airport. And as you already can see, we have awesome results here. Let's look at one. The references are on point. Our red hair woman with the red suitcase, the sound effect, the background music, it's all there. No deformation, cinematic quality, it's all there, easy to use. Vidu Q3 just nail it here. Here another advanced example. We have 3 different references here. Our red hair woman from before, a black cat and red jeans. We want that the woman wears the red jeans in a park and a black cat appears. Let's look at the result. As you can see, it's our woman dressed with the red jeans, perfectly fitting here. The black cat appeared here. Amazing! Another example, our red woman in our living room environment, sitting down with a smile. He used our environment just perfectly, used our woman, camera control, consistency, great. Vidu Q3 is also good at creating videos with dialogues or speak. We have our metro environment from before and we want that the woman is talking on the smartphone. Let's look at it.
Hey, so what are we thinking for dinner tonight? You mood for cooking, or should we just order something delicious?
Natural, realistic, perfect lip sync, nice dialogue. We just entered she should talk to her boyfriend what they want for dinner tonight. Vidu Q3 with the reference to video feature is just amazing. If you liked Vidu, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.